Hey guys, it's Josh here and welcome to this video. I'm going to do a walkthrough for you of our new platform, Learn. Learn, we literally just released, and it is an entire new software platform designed to help you sell digital courses and digital products online with super simple ease using ThriveCart. And what's been blowing everybody away, it's absolutely 100% free to everybody that has a ThriveCart account. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is, and then also I'm going to show you some of the more advanced functionality that we've included, because our goal was to create an online course platform that made it super simple and quick for you to create your course and get it selling. Let's jump right in. So as you can see, I'm actually inside of a demo ThriveCart account here. Along the top, you can see you have your different icons in the top toolbar, and you'll see a big new icon here that says Learn, which you can click on, and it will take you to the Learn platform. You can see I have one project here called the Positive Impact Collection. This can be named whatever you want, and you can create new projects by clicking the button here. I can create a new course at any time by clicking the Create Course button. And if I have multiple projects, I can literally drag and drop my courses between projects very easily as well to organize things exactly how I want. Now you can see I've got two courses inside of my project, and you can see one of them is called A Guide to Eco-Friendly Living, another one's called Health and Wellness. These are both example courses that I have right here. When I mouse over them, you can see I have the option to edit the course. I have something called a quick link, clone, and delete. Most of these speak for themselves. Quick link allows me to get a link very quickly that I can share with someone to gift the course to them one time. The link won't work if it's shared again. It only allows one person to register to access the course once, but it's a great way, and obviously you can generate new quick links by clicking that button at any time. You can also use it yourself to go through and see the entire process as a student to see what the registration process is like, along with accessing your course as well. So for now, we're going to go in and click Edit, and here you'll see immediately I'm taken into my course structure view. This is an overview of every single piece of content I have in my course. There's my modules that you can see here in a kind of dark blue gray color, and then all of the lessons in different rows underneath. You can also see who each of these pieces of content or modules are available to, and whether they're published or they're in draft mode. And then you can literally set who accesses which piece of content. And there's a huge range of powerful features and flexibility about that, which I'll show you in a minute. But for now, you can see this is extremely easy to just build out. You've got your two different options over here, which you can drag in. I can add a module or a lesson. I can literally drag a lesson in and drop it anywhere I want. I can also add a module. I can either drag them or I can click them and it will come up and ask me to name another module. So if I do that right now, I can say building an eco home, for example, and click create, and it will instantly create a new module for me. Modules are a great way for you to organize your lessons. Now I can just take a lesson, I can drag that straight in and drop it into that module, and I can call it building steps 101, whatever I want to call it, and click create. And I'm done, and you can see I've got a module with one lesson in it, and I can obviously edit that lesson to change everything about it. So it's really, really simple. Now, I'm going to go in and edit one that I've already created here called an Intro to Eco Building, and this course is just an example course that I've created. Now I'm inside of the course editor, and first of all I have to say thank you very much to whoever this is. This is a random video off of YouTube. This is not our video, we don't own it, it's an example. I've put it in as a placeholder. They've obviously created some great sustainable living content on YouTube, and I just happen to have dragged this in here. But you can see I've got my course structure. Now I've completely customized this exactly how I want. I've changed the top navigation color of the bar here to match my brand. I've changed the sidebar here, and I've got all of my lessons and modules listed down here. I've customized how they look. I've changed the box that normally goes around each lesson to be the same as the background color, so they blend in and they're a little bit more minimal. I've got my course image here, which is my logo or my overall course image, as well as the name of my course. I then have my content here, and I've customized obviously a title and a subtext. I've put my video in and I've sized it how I want, along with some text. I've changed the font in this text, and I've customized this button to say continue to next lesson, and I've resized it to make it a little bit wider. This is all something that can just happen in just a few moments. It takes no time at all to customize this. You can see over on the side here, I can actually drag content in here very easily. So if I wanted a divider, I could drag this divider in here and just drop it in, and you can see I've got that there. I can then resize it to make it thicker or thinner, and I can change the color of it. Let's say we go with a green color that sort of matches what I'm doing with the sort of colors of this course. I can actually then also adjust the padding just to make it a little thinner to sort of match how wide my content is if I want. There's lots of padding and spacing options. I can make it a dashed line if I want. There's all sorts of things that I can do. But now I've got that line there, maybe I'm going to use that just to break up my content. I can add in anything else below. I've got FAQs, bullet points, HTML, content boxes, images, basically anything that I want to add in. If I add some text in here, we'll just add it in below there. I'll just copy this lorem ipsum text here as example text and put it in. You can see that obviously I can customize how that looks as well. And as you can see, after just a few steps, I can go through and just structure this entire lesson out and build it out with extra content. I can have images and text alternating, extra videos that students can consume before they click through to the next lesson. And what's really awesome is I can do that for every single lesson if I want to. And if I click save and publish, what I can also do, which is really a time saver, is I can go and click clone. And I can actually clone that design. So every time I create another lesson, it already has that template for me. So all I have to do is build that visual identity out for lesson number 1. So you can see it's really super quick and easy to create an entire course and customize exactly how you want it to look. The visuals can be completely different for your course, and we have a lot of other really cool features coming as well in future, including a gallery of designs that you can just select to build out from to begin with, so you don't have to start from scratch as well. That's coming for anyone who has ThriveCart with Learn, which is included for free. Now, if I go to the next step, you can see here are my course options, and as soon as I save my course, I can literally go into a product that I have already created in ThriveCart, click on the fulfillment tab, and select this course as what I want to be fulfilled when someone purchases. It's that simple, and I can immediately provide access to the course for anyone who purchases. I don't need to mess around with taking other course platforms and trying to tie them in and integrate and link things up when someone buys. It's really super simple. I can also choose what I want to do if someone is paying a recurring fee and their recurring fee stops or fails. I can pause access, which means that they have access to everything they've purchased so far, but they will not get any additional drip-fed content until they update their payment details and start paying again. So they can still log in and see what they've already had, but they won't get any of the new stuff. Or I can automatically disable them by selecting that option so that they can't even log in until they pay again. The system takes care of all of that for you. So if payments fail and you're charging a recurring fee to get access to your course, ThriveCart will take care of it. It will immediately suspend or pause or disable the access of the student until they make payment, and then it will immediately give them access again as well. You can also cross-promote your course. If you tick this option, then that means that this course will show up inside the student's members area when they log in to access a course they've already purchased from you, and you can add a URL to your sales page or even directly to your cart page so that when they click to find out more information about that course, they will be taken to go and purchase it at the website or the cart page, and you can cross-promote that easily as well. And obviously you can set up behavior rules. Now, anybody who uses ThriveCart knows exactly how powerful this is. You can set that if a student gets access to this course, or if a module becomes available or a new lesson, or they complete a module or a lesson, or if they pause access or disabled access, or if they've been resumed or unenrolled, any of those things, you can automatically tag them or add them to a list inside of your autoresponder so that specific emails can be sent out automatically to them to keep them updated, even literally every time they finish a lesson and complete a module, or if something happens with their billing. It's all that simple, and you can all do it in this second tab here, and then you hit save and exit and you're done. So that's how easy it is to create entire beautiful courses, structure it exactly how you want with different modules and lessons, create a beautiful design for every lesson or for your entire course within minutes, and then set up exactly what happens when payment fails, how to suspend students automatically, send out emails automatically with your autoresponder based on all different behaviors that your students have within your course, and much more within literally a few minutes, and then have it easy and ready to sell instantly so that you can get moving with your online courses. In the next video, I'm going to go through some of the super advanced functionality that we can provide as well with ThriveCart Learn and Learn Plus, and just how easy it is to set that up as well, and how a lot of the functionality is an industry first.